Hey y'all, it's your girl Annitra here with Different by Design, where faith and fashion connect. I'm coming to you today with another video. If you are returning to my channel to watch another one of my videos, hey girl, hey. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. Just make yourself at home. Click that like button, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion. Okay y'all, so this one will be a walk with me, talk with me. I'm trying not to make this video too long, y'all, because I am trying to make 2 videos in one day, y'all. Pray my strength, okay? So this one is a work bag edition, in addition to my work bag collection. So you saw the thumbnail, you can see what it is. But I have been wanting to jump into this brand for a while, the La Pliage or the El Pliage, what is it? La Pliage, the nylon totes, because I wanted to try to get one for a gym bag. But since my gym attendance kind of came to a screeching halt because of the pandemic, y'all, and I never reactivated my membership. I've been doing like walking workouts. I kind of like put that on hold, but I've been wanting to update my work bag collection because you know how you just have certain outfits you're like, oh, this will look really nice with XYZ color bag. And so this color bag was missing from my work bag collection, y'all. And so I just took a quick peek into the box. There's not much to unwrap. This is a Nordstrom rack find. She was on super sale. I figured because she was at such a reduced price, this would be a great way for me to dabble in this brand, kind of, you know, get my feet wet, see how I feel. And then you know, if I happen to, there's actually one other bag that I really like by this brand. But let me just stop rambling, y'all. So this is a Nordstrom find. She is still in the box, y'all. It's really nothing to unwrap, like plastic bag, the end. So let me gather this together, and then I'll check back in with y'all. Okay y'all, so we have officially removed her from the box. Like I said, it's not much to unwrap. So here she is, this lovely charcoal gray number in her plastic bag. And so, oh, I like this for a very important reason. So this is the Longchamp Paris Essential Flannel Open Tote in the color gray, y'all. And here you have her. She is flannel material, and she has the Longchamp pocket in the front, which is made of leather. The handles are made of leather. Here's the back, and the sides are also trimmed in leather. And y'all listen, the bottom of the tote is also leather. She has snap closure, and she has an interior zipper pocket with the Longchamp Made in France tag, also in leather. Zipper pocket with silver hardware. Let's see what's in here. And so we just have the care instructions. More than likely that's what this is. And again, zippered pocket, also trimmed in the leather. And on the other side, we have the 2 pockets, the 2 slip pockets, you know, cell phones, other things. They have a tendency to get lost at the bottom of a tote bag. Also trimmed in leather, as you can see. And the rest of the tote, y'all, is just wide open space. And so when I saw this on the Nordstrom Rack website, y'all, it came in 2 colors. It came in this color, this lovely charcoal gray, and then there's also a like a burgundy and the trimming is like orange, and then the pocket on the front is blue. And I was just like, that's cute, but you really can only pull that off, I feel, fall winter. I kind of sort of feel like the gray, even though the material is flannel, I feel like you can still pull this off in the spring, summer as well. And I just felt like this color combination was just a little bit classier. If you're looking for something elevated and a little bit more upscale, I kind of felt like this color was a little bit classier. And the thing that I really loved about this tote was this bottom, y'all. This is everything. Now, because it's a fabric tote and it has a leather bottom, I'm here for it. Now, if the bottom part was the same material as the rest of the tote, I probably wouldn't keep her, or probably wouldn't have even ordered it, y'all. And like I said, she is snap closure. So if you choose to get her, this is probably the perfect tote for like my pouch loving girls who, y'all, I've tried it and it just does not work for me, y'all. The girlies who love all the pouches, if you want to prevent things from falling out, I am tempted to try, more than likely I will add an organizer to this. I'm tempted to try, while I have you guys here, I am tempted to try out my Marc Jacobs tote bag organizer in here to see if that will fit, or if I have to invest in another one from Amazon. Let me see here. At the bottom of this tote, let me see, what is the material? Okay, well, you know what I just discovered, y'all? So also, the interior of the bag is not flannel. It's not leather. It feels like that neoprene material, like it's fabric, but I feel like it's like a wipeable. You see how it has a sheen to it? It's like that neoprene, like oh boy, what am I trying to say? Yeah, like the neoprene, like the neoprene material that, like, sometimes, you know, duffel bags, gym bags, other type of like sporty bags use. It's that material, because I was trying to figure out if the bottom was leather, but it is not. But y'all, this is the perfect addition to my work bag collection, and like I said, it has a very elevated feel to it. What I want to do really quickly, I'm going to grab my Marc Jacobs organizer, and then I'm going to grab either my Michael Kors laptop, Jet Set laptop tote, and one of my Coach City totes to do a size comparison. So let me grab those items, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, so we are back, and as I went to grab my city tote, I realized that I also have an organizer in there that I completely forgot about, y'all. But yes, so let me show you guys. So the thing I like about this, again, this is the Longchamp Paris Essential Flannel Open Tote. And so what I like about the tag on this tote bag is it comes with the bag specs. So it's 13 by 13 by 7. Hopefully you guys can see that. And so that is perfection. And so first up, we have our Longchamp tote with our Coach City tote. And so there is nothing inside the Longchamp tote currently, but can you see? Now, I don't know what the specs are for the city tote, y'all, but what I'll probably try to do is just put them in the corner or in the description. But that is the city tote. And so this is my Michael Kors, which I have not reached for since last year, and it shows because she is all folded up. This is my Michael Kors laptop tote. Now I'm just remembering that she fits a 15-inch MacBook, so I know for a fact now that I'm even thinking about it, there will be a size difference. Or will there be? So this is the Michael Kors. This is the Longchamp. You can't even really see. Wait, let me see here. So the structure is different. So the Longchamp is the height of the Longchamp is slightly higher than the Michael Kors MacBook tote. So let's see here. Because these two bags, this bag here and this bag here, currently have organizers, and they have been heavy in my work bag rotation. They currently literally still have work stuff in them, in the organizers, and I know people love a good what's in my bag, and maybe one day I'll give y'all one, but mine won't be staged. Like if you looking forward, listen, this is an expired, okay, it's not that bad, 5/4/23. That's not too bad. But if you're looking for like the pretty, organized, everything in the bag matches, this is not the channel for you, sis. I'm giving you realness, okay? A water bottle. What was the last day I carried this bag? Like some of everything is in here right now. But let me stay focused. This is the organizer. Child, pennies and stevia packets and gum wrappers. I'm gonna give y'all a real what's in my bag video. We can laugh together, y'all, at my randomness. And so this is the organizer from my Marc Jacobs tote bag tote. And so let's see how this fits in here before I just run off and buy a whole new one, because it's the versatility for me. Get my money's worth. Okay, so this might actually be the perfect fit. So yeah, this might actually be the perfect fit for this bag. I don't know if the city tote organizer will fit, but we'll try it anyway. Let me at least make it look a little neater for y'all. At least organize the stuff in here. All right, so show y'all without it falling out. So this is because this bag interior is black, you probably really can't see very well, but this is the Marc Jacobs organizer inside the bag. So it definitely fits. Also, what I'll try to do as a courtesy is look through my Amazon order history and get the specs for this organizer. Also, here's the earrings that I wanted to wear for this video, but we're here now. Keeping it real, y'all. Keeping it real. All right, so that is this organizer. Let me put this one back. I need to clean out this bag. Let's see. We'll work on that later. All right, let's try the, how are we on time? Okay, 5 minutes. Let's see here. And so let's try this organizer, which is also very full of work junk. And so this is the Coach tote organizer. She made her debut on my channel as well. And I think it's an SLG unboxing. And so I feel like I'm stuffing this organizer in here, but it works. Yeah, it works. Actually, it works a lot better than the Marc Jacobs organizer. yeah, because it's higher up, so I feel like it'll protect. Yeah, as you can see, child, my legs are falling asleep, y'all. I got a whole pair of socks in here, Lysol, a pouch. Look, y'all, I told you I do try the pouches. But this is the Coach organizer. As you can see, it comes up a lot higher in the bag, so I think I'll probably use this organizer instead of the Marc Jacobs one. And it matches the bag perfectly. And it's also trimmed in leather, so yeah, so this will be the organizer that I use in this bag. Hopefully you guys can see that and you are not too distracted by the junk that is in this purse. All right, and so there you have it, y'all. that was fun, but since it's hot now, so yes, once again, let me let her be a model. And this little thing here, I don't even know what you would put in here, like I guess some change or something. I don't know what you would put in there, but it's pretty nonetheless. It has the little Longchamp logo on there. And so this bag can also be, the other thing that I like about this bag is you see this shape here. It can also transform because of how the buttons are made. So on the corners, the buttons are versatile because the edges can be converted to change the shape of the bag. And that was another reason why I said, oh yes, she must be added to my work bag collection. And so if you're not here for the giant tote moment and you want something that looks a little different, there you have it. The corners are snapped and you still get the peekaboo action of the black leather trim on the outsides, and again you get the structured bottom on the tote. Our leather handles. There you have it, y'all. Tell me what you think in the comments below. That concludes today's work bag unboxing video. Let me know, would you add this Longchamp lovely number to your work bag or just regular everyday bag collection? Let me know, y'all. This, again, it comes in this lovely charcoal gray and black, and it also comes in a burgundy with orange and blue. And so yes, available now on the Nordstrom Rack website. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Again, make sure you click that like button, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell if you have enjoyed today's video. And if you know another bag loving girly who would enjoy the content on my channel, make sure you share this video with her so she too can click that like button, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell for all things faith and fashion on my channel. Again, my name is Annitra. We're different by design, where faith and fashion connect, and you have a great week.